Pieces and make the vehicle ready.
Yay! Let's build our trencher and get it ready to dig.
Oh no! Yes, we did it! Oh no! Yes, we did it! Yes, we did it! Oh no! 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 Yes, we did it! Yes, we did it! Oh no! Yes, we did it!
Here we go!
Great job!
Oh no! Yes, we did it!
Let's put some fuel in the vehicle. Here we go!
Great job! Take a trench
Yay! Let's dig a big hole in the ground. Wow! Look how big and deep the hole is getting. Yay! The pipe is going in. Wow! It's doing a great job. Yay! Now we fill the hole to keep the pipe safe. Let's go!
Yes, we did it!
Solid work!
Yay! It's washing time! Let's make it super clean!
Hey! Let's use the brush to clean the soap from the truck!
Yay! Now let's spray some water on the truck and make it nice and clean!
Nice work! Road construction finished!
Yay! Let's weld the damaged part of the truck and fix it! Yay! Let's paint the repaired part of the truck and make it look new again! Time to go!
Solid work! Well done!
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you next time! Bye-bye!